Welcome to the second episode of the Let's Hack series, and like the last time, I start with zenmap, and this time I do a ping scan again. So let's see. We have our machine here, and this time it's called my company. So I'm going to do an intent scan with all TCP ports. As again, I do all TCP ports because I'm connected locally, and if I'm connected locally, the ping scans don't need much time, so I can do that. And I already have some things that run on the machine. For example, the HTTP. And for that I open my browser. I have already started burp, so I can directly go to the website, and I see, there's something, and the other thing is this is to be a Tomcat. Let's visit that one as well. And we have a normal Tomcat installation. Okay, so far so good. So I'm going to start dirbuster. Dirbuster should go under the target URI. And I think this is just a Tomcat, so I go in this one. Want to go fast, and I'm selecting the list of the directory list which dirbuster should check. So dirbuster goes through this list and checks if it finds directories with the name on the web server, so you can find hidden directories and hidden files that you normally don't see. Last thing, it already found icons, of course. This icons is for displaying this little character here. That is not so interesting, because on this one it doesn't even have one, but the directories are still there. So but the directory development sounds promising, and we have two files in here. We already see this, and there appears to be they have weak credentials. Okay. And we have an old version of something, and SMB. It's this one. Let's check this SMB out. Other locations. SMB //10.0.2.7. Let's see, and we can. Let's just log in as anonymous. Oh, and it worked, so no password here. Let's see what is in that file. And okay, so maybe some files that are uploaded somewhere. Maybe he's referring to this one. This old version, I wonder what it is. This appears to be struct 2 according to Google. When you Google REST plus the version, it says Apache struct. Let's fire up metasploit and see if we find something like that. Search for be struck. That would be. I think I have my problems with writing words correctly. So that's Apache, and we want a something. Let's see if we have something with rest in here. Leaf pad. Search, find rest. Rest extreme. What is this? This is the most recent also. Isn't this? Little reason, not really that reason. So use, and then the exploit we want to use. So, and then we show what this is, and this appears to be what it's referring to, and this is the address. So let's just run. Yes, of course, that's our host. Our host is what we want to attack, and this is the IP address. So just copy that there and then run. And didn't work. Show options. This is struct. It doesn't. No. Maybe here. Maybe they added the version number to it. No. 8080. No. Maybe with another minus. And that is. Okay, so we have to change that in the configuration. And this is copy. Wait, 3 out of 3, yes. This works also. I thought we had to change the order, but we don't. So we just have to add this version here and exploit. Okay. Why is this not show options? Target. That show targets, and we have a Linux. Yes, we have a Linux running, so we use Linux dropper and set target. This has the number 2, and then what? Oh, and we have to set a payload. Load, and we want Linux x86, I think, and meta, and we want metasploit, and I want reverse TCP, and let's see if that works. And we are sending okay, that didn't appear to work. I don't know why. Maybe I don't want it to. Maybe it's bind. Maybe I can go for bind TCP. Show options. And I can do that. I should be able to go for bind TCP. Hash bind TCP. Exploit. And something is happening. But I don't think it has worked. Are we still in orders? Still working? Yes, still working. Show options. The error host is correct. Oh, maybe if it's a firewall port 403 exploit process. No jobs. Microsoft sessions. Bind handler. Okay. Back to my old idea of TCP. Show options. Error host is already set. Exploit and is still running. And stop it. Stop it. I think I have to. It's not good. It doesn't work. If nothing else works, I do that. Exploit extreme. Again. Use. And we have for this one again. Show options. Set target to show options. Set target URI, and we change that to this. Check that host. We also need to do that. Oh. Check. Exploit. Sending stage. One stage process. Done sessions. We have a session open. sessions 1. So now we can help. Okay, so we should be in this one, but we can run, we can do other stuff, but it's not a full meat operator. Load normal. Exit sessions. Okay, no active sessions. Let's try that again. Exploit. Done. Sessions. Sessions 2. Help. We have something here. Background exit. Help menu, info, load, read, run, use. But I can't do anything else. I can't do anything else. Run, cargo. Sessions 3 shell. This can't be, I can't use anything of that. Why can't I use anything? Can disable Unicode, execute help. Read. Sessions, another thing. Ah, yeah. This should be, no, why does this not work? I used the wrong one. Now we have more informations. UID and other things. Sessions 4. Help. And we have more commands. Now it worked. Maybe it wasn't ready. And now we can we have access, at least user access to the machine. So this is the first part, and I'm gonna stop here. So if you like this video, you can again subscribe, you can leave a like, you can leave a comment if you have questions or anything you want to know, or any idea for new videos. So see you next time.